Guys, welcome to Watch Chipo. My name is Hakim. So today I will talk about the watch that I unboxed, or rather we say unpacked before. The watch in front of us, the Corguet Omega Seamaster 300 Homage or Spectre Homage. I purchased this watch from AliExpress. There are more expensive one with Miyota movement, but I think I'm good with Seagull, no problem at all for me. Before we start with this video, for those who come again, subscribe me and come again, thank you very much. I appreciate your support. And for those who came here, maybe searching something for this or accidentally clicking the thumbnail and you come to my video, again thank you very much, and I hope for you to subscribe me, and please leave a like and please comment if you have anything to say about this watch. So without further ado, let's go to this watch. Okay, the watch diameter is 41 millimeter, width crown 45 millimeter, lug to lug is 49 millimeter, thickness is 13 millimeter, and lug width is 20 millimeter. So it is quite good size, and I think this 20 millimeter also means you can easily change the strap. The strap that it come actually is this strap, which really want to mimicking the James Bond vibe on this watch, but I can say the strap is really awful. I remember really awful. I even cut this the back side of the nettle strap just to make it comfortable, but still this is very awful. So I just changed. First I changed with this one, much better strap, much better nettle strap, and then I changed it to this strap right now, the brown leather strap. Okay, the watch is made of stainless steel, full stainless steel. The bezel on the upside, there are no loom pip at all. Unidirectional bezel with slight back play, but it is acceptable for this price. Okay, the main attraction is the dial. The dial here, yes, as you can see, it is really mimicking the Omega Seamaster 300, the original, and the Omega Seamaster Spectre, the 007. So it's a really nice dial. The finishing also is done quite nice actually. Seems like polish on the upside, but brush on the side. So normally we will see brush on the upside and polish on the side, but slightly what you call different style, but still it is done very well for its price. Okay, when you look at the dial, it is very beautiful. The only thing that I really don't like about this dial is that date. I hope they don't make any date here, there, or if they want to make that date, I hope they make that date in the what you call black date, because it's really disturb the appearance, the look of this watch. Okay, the movement in this watch is the seagull movement. I forget what movement is. I will write the movement on the side of this video. And the spec there, sapphire crystal. Sapphire crystal is only on the front, water resistant and stainless steel. So the water resistant, I don't think this is a 200 meter water resistant, but this have the screw down crown here. So because the screw down crown, I think it may 50 to 100 meter water resistant. Okay, the seagull movement inside have the hand winding capability and hacking. As you can see, when I pull out the crown, it stops. The second hand stops. So you put inside again and screw it. The face is really nice. Come on, camera, focus. Okay, the face of this watch, the dial of this watch is really nice. Okay, the loom is there, but it really not so strong. The loom have a nice combination of blue on the indices and green on the hands, so really nice. But I can say this loom is really not strong, really quickly fade away. Just for fun, you can just play with this torch and look at loom, but it will not last long. Here how it is look on my wrist right now with this strap. So the strap, I think, really match with the the orange of the indices. And by the way, I forget to mention on the dial section, but the orange one is actually a layered dial. So there are two layered. The black one is the upper one, the orange one is the lower one. So it's a really nice make. As you can see, there's some layer there. And with this strap, I think this watch is really cool. Yep, really good. Okay, first of all, what is good about this watch? Well, I have spent around a month with this watch, and I can say this watch is a very comfortable watch, a very good size watch, and a very attractive watch. I have to say, very attractive, and I love this watch. But the negative is first that for me is the date window there. First of all, it's really disturbed this watch for me. And if really they want to make the date window, I hope they make in the black, but they make in white instead. So that's a negative. The original strap cam is really bad. really bad. Just a piece of crap. I can say just a piece of crap. Just find a new strap for this one if you want to buy this one. Really, they want to mimicking the Bond style, but I don't think this one, maybe this one is strength is good for special agent maybe, but really not comfortable. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and comment on this section. And for those who first time came here searching for this watch or anything cheaper watch or affordable watch, you can also click subscribe button. I will upload at least 2 or once a month, and hopefully we can see again in the next video. So thank you very much.